video we are going to cover part 2 final revision geometry. Let's start. Number 3a. In opposite figure, DE parallel to OH ray parallel to BC line segment. Measure angle ADE equals 120 degree. Measure angle AOH equals 135 degree. Find the measures of the angles of triangle ABC. Now, the proof. We have two lines parallel. They are OH ray parallel to BC. OB straight line is a transversal. Then measure B plus measure angle O equals 180. Because two interior angles in the same side of transversal are supplementary. It means O and B are supplementary. Their sum 180. You have measure angle O 135. So you will subtract measure angle O from 180 to find B, like this. Measure angle B will be 45. By the same way, DE ray parallel to BC. CD is a transversal. Measure angle C plus measure angle D equals 180. They are supplementary angles. Now you have measure angle D. To find measure C, you will subtract measure D from 180, like this. It means measure angle C equals 60 degrees. You know the sum of all angles of triangle equals 180. You found measure angle B and measure angle C. Now you can find measure angle CAB by subtract the sum of B and C from 180, like this. 180 minus, between two brackets, 45 plus 60 equals 75. This is the last required. Next question. You have triangle ABC. Measure angle B 90. D belong AB, where AD equals 11. BC equals 12. DC equals 13. Find the length of BD and AC. You have right angle triangle. Now you can apply Pythagoras theorem. Start by small triangle CBD because you have the length of two sides, BC and CD. Now you can find the length of BD. Like this. BD square equals CD power 2 minus BC power 2. By substituting, it will be 13 power 2 minus 12 power 2 equals 25. To find BD, you have to put square root on 25 equals 5. Now the length of BD is 5. Now you can find the length of AB by adding 5 and 11 will be 16. Now by using triangle ABC, measure angle B is 90. You can use Pythagoras theorem, another one. By adding AB power 2 plus BC power 2, you can find AC power 2. AC power 2 will be 16 power 2 plus 12 power 2 equal 400. To find AC, put square root on 400 gives 20 centimeters. This last required. The next question. You have a figure. You have measures of three angles, like this. You will find the missing angle. It is HBD. You know the sum of accumulative angles is 360. You have 4 angles. You know the measure of 3 angles. To find the fourth angle, you will subtract the sum of given 3 angles from 360, like this. The measure of missing angle will be 70. Next question. You have triangle ABC. Find measure of ABC. Angle ACD is called exterior angle of triangle. You know the measure of exterior angle of triangle equals the sum of two non-adjacent angles. It means measure angle ACD equals measure angle A plus measure angle B. But you have measure angle A equal measure angle B. It means you will divide 128 by 2 to find measure angle A or measure angle B. But your required measure angle ABC equals 128 over 2 equals 64. The next question. You have quadrilateral ABCD. X is midpoint of AB and XY parallel to BC. From parallelism, you will find DY equals YC. Now, in triangle CDE, YZ parallel to DE, and Y is midpoint of CD. Now, you can say Z is midpoint of CE. Now, the required CZ equal ZE. The next. You have a polygon. ABCDE. This is a pentagon. You have measure of 4 angles. To find the measure of 5th angle, you will subtract the sum of 4 given angles from the sum of angles. The sum of measures of interior angles of the pentagon equals 5 minus 2 times 180 equals 540. This is the sum of all angles. You have 4 angles. Subtract their sum from 540 like this. Now the result will be 90. This is the measure of angle D. Thank you. Goodbye.